Hey Mecca Beauty Junkies, it's Jin from Mecca HQ. It's that time again, beauty lip boxes are almost here, so I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what's inside your level 2 box. The theme of this month's box is Hydrate and Highlight. We've worked with our Mecca Beauty experts to curate a selection of 4 samples to get your skin cleansed, hydrated and radiant. First up, Clinique's Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. So as you can see, I love a full glam look, but when I get home, I love taking it off as well, and this is the balm to do so. It removes even the most stubborn waterproof makeup. So you just massage a small amount into your skin, warm it up, and rinse it off. Speaking of skincare, next up we have this dynamic duo from Mecca Cosmetica. It's a cleanser and moisturiser, which will keep your skin hydrated, happy, and glowing. So now that our skin is cleansed and hydrated, let's get glowing with MAC Strobe Cream. This little baby can be worn alone, mixed into your foundation, or you can dab it on during the day when you need a little extra glow. So this is one of MAC's most iconic products and is the perfect size to take with you anywhere you go. I'm just going to dab it on top of my cheekbones. It'll freshen up my look. So now I'm going to tie this glowy look together with a glossy lip. So this here is the Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss. It's really hydrating and it tastes like peaches. So there you have it guys, that's your level 2 April beauty lip box. All boxes land in store and online on April 26th, so get in quick before they're gone. Don't forget to subscribe for a new video each week. See you next time.